Well, it can't be in here. Man, I really gotta take a dump. Uh-oh, here it comes. Glad that's over. I gotta pull my pants here. Hello? Are you down there? Man, that's vile. Hey, how you doing? Sure.
What? Can't you stay and watching TV? What do you want?
It's more important.
Okay, what?
You see, there's been a mass murderer running around. He's been killing everybody in this
Wait a second. Who's killing who?
The guy with the chainsaw, you know, the kind of goes.
Right.
You know?
Okay, that's fine. Let the local police handle it.
Sure. We are the local police.
Oh yeah. Let's step into my office. Come on. All right. I call top bunk.
What? Fine.
All right. So, do we have any files on who might this be?
Yes, right here. Right here.
Let me see.
Oh wait. That's my.
Whoa, cool comic books.
That's mine. Oh, here's the real files. Right here.
All right.
Right here. Right here.
Just a bunch of blank sheet of paper. Here we go. Okay, so we have the last kill on 34th Grove Avenue Street, right? Is that where we've recorded the body of Charles Gnarly?
Yes. Dude, are you okay?
Yes, I'm very well, thank you. I just got shot in the foot, but I'll be okay.
Alright.
Alright, so listen. We're here, so you go around the back this way, I'll go around the front, okay?
Alright, adios amigos.
Adios.
I gotta lay down. Cool. Do you have any sevens? Go fish. Do you have any twos? Oh man, dang it. There you go. Yeah. Sevens.
Alright guys, I'm part of the Spokane Police Department and I'm just here to search around about the weird happenings. So you guys just keep playing the game. I'm just going to investigate over here. No need to be alarmed. Nice statue you got there.
Thanks. Where did we get that statue? I don't know.
I found it!
Hey, it's me!
Oh, I'm very sorry. Very sorry. Sorry, sir. I thought you were the dude.
Looks like you got a lot of time. Did you hear that up there?
Yes, I did.
I think we should go check it out.
Yeah,
Let's
go check it out.
What has happened here?
I don't know.
I thought these two people were playing cards.
Okay, here's a note.
Oh, really?
Haha, I am Zachy Mertz. You will never find me. Ha ha ha. I am living in this basement in this exact house. Ha ha ha.
You know what? I think we need to look in the basement for this guy. Just something tells me that. Yeah.
I don't know. Could be a difficult one.
I know. Let's go in the basement. Let's try it. Maybe it'll work.
Okay.
Alright, so I think this is it right here.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, listen, this guy could be very dangerous. I mean, I'm sure he's probably armed, so let's get our weapons out.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Sir, on the door, now.
Alright, Captain. Sir, where'd you go? Oh, hey.
Right here.
How you doing?
Idiot. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's you. Okay.
Well, sir, I don't think there's any danger.
Are you okay? Whoa. So this must be There's a little lab of hordes here.
What's that smell?
Oh my gosh! He has meat! So where do you think he is?
I don't know.
Hey guys. Ah!
Hey! Just kill me now.
Where are you?
On your left. Your other left.
Oh. Alright, I don't know who you are or what I'm doing down here, but you just killed my friend.
You have friends?
Hey, shut up. Stop laughing.
You ready to die?
I'm thinking, okay?
Think faster.
No. Yeah, I killed him, alright. Haha.
Just screwing with ya.
Oh, shit.
I think I'm gonna get some pizza.